U3 installation Inkscape extension and use tutorial. Go to the website to download the Inkscape extension. Scroll to the bottom of the page. Select to download software and user manual. Select software for UUNA TEK 3.0. Select the extension according to the operating system. Download this extension. Unzip this file. Copy this folder. Open Inkscape. Open the folder, Edit Preferences System User Extensions. Paste the downloaded and unzipped folder into the Inkscape extension folder. Reopen Inkscape. Open the test file. Set the background size. Select the graph and drag it. Click on Extensions, select UUNA TEK 3.0 Plotter. The first time you use it, you need to set up a folder to store the cache. Here you can set some parameters. Generally, no need to change. Click Apply. Here you can change the software language. When you select the COM port, the lower left corner shows CH340. This port is the correct port. Click Add. The software will automatically recognize the license. Automatically generate G-code for images. After installing the paper and pen, click Print. The machine will start drawing.